Lonely child alone and wild, the comet made her sad. His head remained a different world, and his heart is lone tonight. He left his home and in alone and solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. Quiet man of music, denied a simpler fate. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't break. He heard his love for discipline, his gentle melted hand. His gentle means a sculpting soul, took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. But let us be the poet down to vindicate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. Brother lives with dear friend, for they had another call. We went to Chicago, and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado, when I'm not in hotel. Living out this life I chose, and come to know so well. Okay lang yun, Ryan. Ang patulog. I thank you for the music and your story you wrote. I thank you for the freedom when it came a time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you got told. And far I don't intend, I love you near and now. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. Let us be the poet then, we'll imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am a living legacy to the leader of the band. Kaya Ryan, no, nagbabasag ka ng tripa.